In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create countless number of videos with your picture. So this is for free. This is not paid. You don't need to pay. You're not paying for the app. You're not subscribing. And in fact, it's one of the apps that you use every day on your phone, but you never knew you could do this. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when I drop amazing videos like this, you also be one of the first to get it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So can you guess the app we are going to be using for this? Because we have a lot of apps on screen now. So can you guess? Let me not waste your time. We're going to be using Facebook. Yeah, Facebook is the app that we're going to be using for this. So what you want to do is go to your Facebook. When you enter your Facebook, if you look at the top right, you will see your messenger there. Click on the messenger. Wait for it to load. Then you see this Meta AI. This is what we're going to be using for our video. This Meta AI you have here, you click on it to create our video. So what you want to do, the image you want to use, let me copy this. So copy this. So the image you want to use for the video, I've done a lot here. You can look at it, you can see. So you see that these are the ones I used. I created a movie, and these are the ones I used, I converted, both in form of okay, this is YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Then this is also YouTube Shorts, which is 9:16. So you can do countless, and this is amazing when you see the outcome. So what you want to do is, you see this place that says ask anything, the plus sign there, you click on it. Then you go to photos, you pick the photo you want to use. So if you look at this photo that is there now, where the man is like he fell on the ground, there's a chicken close to him running. I just generated that. So I want it to be like a video instead of just a still picture. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll add this prompt to it. So I'll say make this image move slowly, and I'll click on this blue arrow and wait for it. So you wait for it. You can see it's sending, it's generating now. So hold on. So let's hold on. So if you watch to the end of this video, I'll also give you some bonus tips that will help you make your video more cinematic, more real, and more engaging, giving you good views and from good angles. So make sure you stick to the end. So you can see that the AI is now preparing your video. So it will stop like this as if you're done. Just hold on. Don't worry. You're not done yet. Be patient. It is still, you can see it is now loading. So this is where you now get your answer. So voila, our video is ready. So you tap on it and let's see what the Meta AI gave us. You tap on it, then you say use data. Don't select, just use data, and let's see. So you can see, can you see the amazing scene? You see the man fell down and the chicken ran away. So this is amazing. So let's do another one before I now go to the little trick I said I want to show you guys. So let's pick the video of these people that were holding torchlight. You can see they're holding torchlight. It is not a video. It is just a normal, what's it called? Scene. So let's say, okay. Let's make the image move. And let's see. So you click your enter button now. So you can see that the one we did just now is a format of 16:9. This is 9:16. The image we used just now, the new one we are using is 9:16. So let's see. So it's preparing it right now. So let's wait and see. So we're almost done. Just hold on. You have to be patient because so voila, we're done. So let's click on it and see what we got. And see. So you can see this is lovely. Wow, this is amazing. So one thing you need to understand is that this will give you like 6 seconds video, 5-6 seconds video. So you are the one to continue with what you want to do. So take for example, if you want to get a 5 minutes video, so you look at how many of the scenes you are going to create. to match up to give you this. So I did a movie with this, and the movie is amazing. I did a 9 minute movie with this, and it's amazing. So I believe you are getting value. Now let's go to the little um effect I will add to make this thing more lovely and engaging than this. So where is my chat GPT? So I would love to use chat GPT for this. For those of you who know about effects, so I want to tell chat GPT to give me some lovely effects. So so let me say, write me the CapCut, sorry, hold on, effects for this scene. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write me the effect that I think I can use for this scene of this chicken we just had just now, that the man fell down. So you can see. So you can see. So, but I'm gonna pick just one. What I'm trying to do here is for you to understand that there is. Oh, these people are telling me, okay, there's no need sound effects. I don't need sound effect. I just need. Okay, yeah, this is good. So I need lens blur and motion blur. So I need this. So pay attention. You will see that we'll have something different from, okay, camera shake. Okay, so let's do this. Or let's just use this, so let's go back to that image where we created for that chicken. Let's go back to it again. Let's do this. So click on it, then we'll put this, then we'll go back. Remember the first prompt we use. We say make this image move. Then you say, so now what am I saying? What I'm telling the AI is make this image move slowly, comma, add lens blur, lens motion blur, 20%. So let's see. And zoom in slowly. So let's see the effects from the first one we got. So it's definitely going to be different. So for you to make your scene colorful, for you to make your scene very nice, you need to understand the cinematic views you need and the kind of atmosphere you need. And these things, you can get them on ChatGPT. So most of the time, I always ask ChatGPT to give me the kind of effects, transition, and video effects that I'll need to use for that scene. And I'll add it to whatever I'm giving this Meta AI to do for me. And I always get the best result from it. So hold on, and we are done. So let's see what we have now compared to the first video we got. So you can see that this is totally different from what we got the first time. You can see that now the man is falling forward, is coming forward, the lens is going towards him. Let's look at it again. So you can see. And the other time the image was going up. So you are seeing all the chickens in the farm. Let's check this again so that you see what I'm saying. So this was the former image we got. Is this the image? This is the image. Then what the video we got? I'm trying to get the former video we got. Yeah, this was the former video we got. So let's look at it and compare it with this one I just did. So you can see. You see, the camera is going up. The man is falling backward. You can see the way chickens are just flying like birds. So it doesn't look real. But check this last one we just did. So you can tell the difference now, that adding a better, when you have a good understanding of what you want. Sorry, the network is misbehaving. So when you have a good understanding of what you want and you put it along with it, it will give you the quality. So you can see. So you see, this is totally different and it's nice than that one. Even the environment is nice, the chicken looks real and all that. So I believe you got value from this video. For more valuable and helpful video like this, please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that when I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be among the first to get it.